All right, let's go ahead and start lining them up. Jake at the number 1, Rick Cammy at the number 2, Michael, you're gonna line up at the 3. Larry at the 4, Patrick at the 5, Bruce at the 6, and then George, you're gonna line up at the number 7. All right, looks like we are ready to go, guys. This is GT12R, B2. We're going racing. The sound of the start tone. All right, thanks again to those volunteer marshals. We do appreciate it, guys. We are off and running. This is race number 32. We got race number 33 coming up next. We'll keep things moving, and perhaps we'll see that trophy presentation right around 4 o'clock, which would be a great finishing time for all these long 8-minute and 6-minute races that we've been having. So stick around for your trophy presentation at the end of the day. Jake all down in front, Cammy in second, Everett in third, followed by Silvero and Sereno to round out the top 5, Lewis and Corey. Our race leader
I think I'm going to get one. They're the GT2s,
25 in the
right?
6 flats. Rick Campbell in second spot, 25 in the 609. Michael in third, 25 in the 612.
I like it. It's like a mini US GT. It's freaking rad. Yeah. And I can see these ones. The other ones I can't see.
All 10 leading the parade.
Yeah.
Rick and Michael right there with the 3-car breakaway.
They need an orange one.
Race leader in front of the driver's seat. Okay,
but so if you got one, and I mean, I could probably buy a couple of them, and we can race 3 classes, or race 3 to a class, right?
Michael. So we got. I shouldn't even say it. The last time I started talking about him, it didn't work out. And then that guy followed by Everett in third, Silvero in fourth, and Nazareno to round out the top 5. We got some action up in front.
Rubber. They were treaded. Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
I didn't want to deal with foam.
Oh, foam at BWS would be a nightmare. you get a half a race done, it'd be gone.
Top 3 down the back stretch here. We got a good race going on in the B2 with 2:30 in and 3:30 left to go. GT12R, pretty cool class. We don't really run this one down south. Jake out in front, Rick in second, Michael in third. 1.1 second lead for Jake over Rick, with Everett 3/10 behind, so putting that pressure on. Oh man, that was Rick. Battle of the blue cars going door to door.
I don't know why that is. I don't know.
45 seconds left to go.
I know with the 5 minutes, it has a lot to do with temperatures and things like that with the 12 or with an 8 and 10 scale. But I don't know because they run a 1S instead of a 2S. So
3:30 down, 2:30 left. Got 3:30 down, 2:30 left.
Nick might know. Nick, is there a reason why they run these 8 minutes and 10 scale 5 minutes? Is it just because you can? Yeah.
All right, Michael down the back stretch in the red, white, and blue, and then in third.
Yeah, well, so depending on what, if it's a series championship that we race at club racing, we'll run 6-minute mains. So, but I don't know. I don't
and
know.
Rick back in through the left-hand side.
But I know when we do championship race,
Michael here down
always
off the end of the straightaway for the 2 spot. Meanwhile, our racer is still Jake.
San Diego. So North San Diego. Well, we have 4 tracks. So I
There's
race
leader across the start finish line in the white and yellow.
So the announcer, yeah, he's in his track is Cal, and then he announced
watching to the right-hand side, and we're clear.
And RCP. So all parking lot. This is my first carpet.
Guys, we got TC
So I was thinking, that's why I'm all
21.5
rough out here.
stock
I'm
coming
actually
up
really
next.
good. I'm kind of
B2,
small.
race
My
number
doctor's like,
33.
wow,
Race
you
number
are
34 start heading to
total
Tech, and race number 34
setup
start
and
heading
everything.
to
So
Tech.
I've been chasing a setup the whole time I've been here, but yeah, that last race, my front wheel drive, that was the first time I finished.
1 minute and 10
The whole
seconds
time
left
I've
to
been
go.
here,
Trouble
so-
at the end of the straight. We're clear.
And it really is. It really is. Doesn't matter what place it was. It's an accomplishment.
All right, second place
Okay,
coming
I was
through,
talking
guys.
to my wife last night.
Oh, that's a
I'm
lead battle coming up on
frustrated
Jake,
because
too.
I'm usually right in the middle.
Across
or
the start
up the
finish line,
middle,
Jake and Michael for the
I'm
top
like,
spot. This will be an
bottom.
opportunity for
I'm
Rick to get back in the mix
last
as well.
She's like, you've never done this before. Why are you
Lead
so
battle
hard on
coming up
yourself?
on the great car.
I don't know. You know, I just started. Well, I'm coming up on my 1 year in March. So my first year of my whole year of racing. So
Jake and
yeah.
Michael separated by
It's been-
3
it's a
tenths.
new
These
thing
guys
for me.
just barely missing
I was
the big
on the
show.
fast track, you know.
Took the
so
top
I
10 to
raced
the
in
main,
expert
so we're
class
watching
and all
the
that stuff. I
B-main
raced
here.
some really good races, but you start getting into these races, these guys are next level. You know.
All right, 20 seconds left to go, guys.
Yeah. Also, Jacob. So I raced with Jacob. So yeah, same thing. Yeah, and then there's another kid. His name's Gabriel. That is, I think he's a year younger, or 2 years younger than.
5
Jacob.
seconds left to go.
Same
Jake
thing.
versus
They're both
Michael
just-
with Rick right behind him in the final lap battle. The B2. Will it be Jake or will it be Michael? To the stripe.
Racing for, I think,
It's going to be Jake.
7 years. Yeah.
All right, Jake, you are done with the win.
You know,
Michael, you done with second. Rick,
it's
you're
awesome.
done with
I don't
third.
undergive
Waiting
my
for
because
2 more to
they are
finish your
champions,
competition.
you know.
And Bruce, man, that's
Josh.
race, guys.
Nice to meet
Bring
you.
him in and shut him down, guys.
Yeah, that's my account name. And then yeah.
Bring him in, shut him down. Jake Alton taking the win. Michael Everett second. Rick Campbell third. Nazareno fourth. Lewis fifth. Yo.
Yeah.
What? Well, we do.